Alan wanted to have a custom DJ booth that could be used in large venues and small-scale clubs. That was the biggest challenge in both designing and construction. My name is Andreas Ohldieck. I'm working for the Norwegian production company called Bary. We're collaborating a lot with Alan Walker, and I've been traveling with Alan the last 2 years, all over the world. We made a custom DJ booth out of Martin Fatrons and some custom tables. This was built by Bary and the Norwegian Opera in Oslo. The construction is built so it's easy to fly and can also be traveled by truck. The design is very scalable, so we can use only the center part, but also scale it up with different pieces on stage left and stage right. The riser can even be divided into 3 pieces, so it can be used together with a band setup. We're using video content on the Fatrons, no DMX at this point. It's been used as a video wall, but also as lightning fixtures. But as lightning fixtures, it's used by video. I find Fatrons very flexible. And P3 software is easy to use and very easy to set up, and it's reliable. We have done maybe 50 shows with this production without any big challenges. On this tour, the Different World Tour, we're traveling with 5 Arton Ghiblis and 5 Arton Magic Blades FX. It's a small lightning design that's scaled both to small clubs and bigger arenas. We've been using the magic panels in earlier productions. On this tour it was mainly because of weight and space on the truck and of course budget. I'm controlling both video and lights from Graname Light. And the video runs on Resolume Arena 6, and that's triggered by ArtNet. The design is made out of Alan Walker's logo. The centerpiece is actually a straight copy of his logo, and the other pieces is inspired by his logo. As you can see, it's custom brackets for the Fatrons, both mounting and mounting on the riser. The riser is built out of Håkan podiums. As you can see, the whole construction is on wheels, so it's possible to lift it and then lower it on stage. During the summer season, we're playing at festivals where the changeover is mainly 30 minutes. So it's designed to fit that changeover. Our video design on this tour is quite minimalistic. Normally we have a large LED screen in back of our riser. On the current tour, we're playing on both small clubs and large arenas. On the small clubs, it's not possible to fly a large LED wall. That's why we have chosen 10 panels out of 1 by 1 meters instead of one large LED screen. All the panels on the floor is built on towers. The towers are on wheels. The whole back wall is straight, but on the smaller clubs we're able to angle the back wall. I'm very happy with the Magic Blades FX, both as effect fixtures and as eye candy fixtures. I like the lens on the Magic Blade FX, very good. It's possible to make a lot of different designs with the Magic Blades. Every fixture on this tour is LED fixtures, both Claypakey, Stormy, Magic Blade FX and Ghiblis. Actually, this is the first time I'm using the Ghiblis. I like both the size, the weight, and of course the output. The colors are very nice, and it's lots of different gobos. And that was a very important for me to choose the Ghiblis. As you can see, all the Ghiblis are placed in the same height as Alan to make a big silhouette out of him. The only lights we have on Alan is these two Mac Auras placed on the floor.
So Alan is playing on the Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 and mixing on the DJM 900 Nexus 2. This gives us the flexibility to have 4 players in a single network. Some songs are using timecode, and that we are getting on the timecode live network. There is a network on stage that also going to front of house. He is using in-ear monitors directly into the mixer. Alan is using the Ultimate Air's UE11, which he loves. That is a DJ version that suits him a lot. And he also uses 2 wedges in stereo. On this tour we are using the DNB M4, which sounds amazing. Has the headroom for a DJ.
I want to mention our LED screen. Our LED screen is a G-Lux batten 6mm pitch. This one is a very lightweight LED screen that's easy to set up and easy to rig. It can also be used outdoor. The LED screen is supplied by Bary, together with all the lighting fixtures. On this tour, I'm running the whole setup on Graname light. The Graname runs both video and lighting. The video runs on Resolume Arena 6. I'm triggering the clips through ArtNet, and on this setup I'm running both video to the LED screens and the riser. Over here you can see our timecode system. This is an older version of timecode Live, and we're using the older one because that's synced to all of Alan tracks. On this tour we're not using timecode. I'm only using the timecode system to keep track of what songs he's gonna play. On this system I can see all the 4 players. I can see what tracks he have loaded, and I can see what players that playing in this moment. We are collaborating with several designers on video content, but for this tour the content is mainly designed by Thundercode in Sweden, and we're very happy with the results. The profile for Alan Walker is quite minimalistic. It's musical and it's digital. It's based on the same style as the Alan Walker universe. It's glitchy and distorted, but at the same time it looks very nice. This tour required both SDI signal and network lines between stage and front of house. As you can see, this setup is a fiber setup with 6 SDI lines both ways and 6 separate network lines. All this is run through fiber from stage to front of house. On festival shows with Alan Walker, both LD and VJ is busking the show. The setlist is changing from day to day. Because of that, we needed a reliable intercom system, and after testing several different systems, we choose GreenGo, and we're very happy with that choice. Our GreenGo system consists of 6 belt packs and 2 antennas. The antennas are actually the same size as the belt packs. One antenna placed at front of house and the second antenna placed at stage.
I'm using the Yamaha QL1 console, which is the most reliable console I've ever used. The setup is quite easy. It is main output from the DJ mixer and some vocal mics. What is great about the Yamaha console is that it's had a lot of premium effects that gives me the ability to use some multi-band compression, and some dynamic EQ. What I like about the Yamaha is that you're running on the Dante network, which gives me the ability to both record and play back any music. As for now, we are using some playback tracks for one of the support acts. I can send that via Dante into the console.